This is my new Battle Cats unit. His name is Grey Cat, and he is a legend unit unlocked from beating his stage. His stage is unfathomably unfair, and the boss unit is overpowered. However, he is genuinely useless as a unit. He has bad stats and targets Relic, Angels, and Reds, which are all very power-crept. Would you use him? Rate my creation. Look at him go. Hello there, here is my new and improved Grey Tank Cat, and today I will go over my amazing creation. Firstly, he is another variant of Tank Cat from an event, already off to a bad start. He has horrible stats. 5.3 thousand health at level 50, no targeted traits. He can't even one-shot a Korea Doge. Look how long it takes him to beat Korea. Hold up, do you notice anything different? Why is my money so high? Well, this is simply because he is a combo slave. He has insanely overpowered combos as a unit nobody will use. Wonder where I've seen that before. And you think it's just money and base health? How about we observe this gameplay?
Did Sniper the Cat just slime out a Relic Doge?
Okay, let's at least see what else is going on with this. Go, my awakened Bahamut. Is he tanking hits without being knocked back? He finally died. Let's see what a Fishman, another unit who normally gets juggled around, can do. It took him 3 hits to be knocked back. Relic Bun Bun is barely able to gain any distance due to the sheer stats. And just like that, Relic Bun Bun is dead. That was insanely unfair. But how truly strong are these combos? Let's use Mecha Bun Bun, a normally mediocre unit. Thanks to the money, I deployed him instantly. Are you wondering why our unit version hasn't been knocked back yet? That's because he is quite literally not taking damage. I feel bad for Relic Bun Bun. The enemies actually can't touch him right now. He is fully invincible against his targeted trait. And this is what a mediocre unit does. Imagine using something stronger. I guess I don't have much else to say. You are free to watch Relic Bun Bun get pummeled to the ground thanks to the stereotypical useless unit with overpowered combo. Stereotype sitting in the 3rd slot right now. Well, thanks for watching this video. What do you think about Grey Tank Cat? Would you use him? How much do you like him over Grey Cat? Hello, this is the long-awaited continuation to the Gray Cat's Gray Axe Cat. Now you may be wondering, why isn't he gray like the other two? Truthfully, there's no real reason. I just thought it would be funny to desaturate his axe to see what it looked like. Now let's go over it. Okay, so basically he is overpowered as fuck and has no weaknesses. He is also spammable and spawns boss shockwaves each time he hits an enemy. He'd probably come out of some bullshit like Egg N789 or something, or he'd just be some random super rare you occasionally see in event gadgets. If I was really creative, then I would have made an entire trait that would power creep so much that enemies end up having heavily stacked. They're creative just because of his existence. We don't have the time for that. Although he does have guaranteed freeze against red enemies for 4 seconds, since the best way to make a unit is to make it power creep already power crept traits. And while yes, this does sound similar to Courier Cat, I only chose red in specific because I despise Professor A, to put it lightly, despite only seeing this guy 2 times in game total so far. Otherwise, I would have made him target black and yellow. Anyways, that's all. I don't really have much else to say, so I'm just gonna keep the video running, because I really don't fucking like this red alien.